Today I'm going to show you how to create pixel art in Adobe Photoshop step by step. Pixel art might look simple, but there's a real craft to getting those charming, retro-looking images just right. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up your canvas, choose the right tools, and sketch your own pixel masterpiece, even if you've never tried pixel art before. Let's jump right in. First off, let's get our canvas ready. The foundation of great pixel art is working with a small, pixel-friendly canvas. What does that mean? Well, think tiny. You want your image dimensions to be somewhere in the range of 50 by 50 pixels, or maybe 100 by 100 if you want a bit more room to play. In Photoshop, you'll just go to File, then New, and enter those numbers. That tiny canvas will help every stroke you make stand out crisply, just like those classic video games or nostalgic icons. If you use a huge canvas, your pixels won't read as individual blocks, and you'll lose that crisp effect. So small really is beautiful here. Now, if you want to base your pixel art on a reference picture, it's a great idea to bring in a copy to guide you. For example, if you want to recreate a classic game sprite, or maybe you want to pixelate your own photo, you'd import that image right onto your canvas. Just drag and drop it into Photoshop. But since we're working with tiny image dimensions, you might need to scale your reference down to fit. Don't worry if the image looks fuzzy, it's just a rough guide, and the real magic happens in the next steps. Let's talk about the tool you'll need, the pencil tool. This is absolutely crucial for pixel art because it places solid color squares right onto your canvas, one pixel at a time, giving you complete control. Make sure your brush size is set to 1 pixel. This keeps things sharp and ensures you're working at pixel-level detail instead of blurry brush strokes. Just select the pencil tool from your toolbar, set the size to 1, and you're good to go. It's almost like you're placing colored tiles on a mosaic floor. Now it's time to sketch your design here, where you can really let your creativity shine. In this example, I'm going to draw a heart with a dripping effect, maybe with each drip in a different color. Try starting by outlining your basic shape first. You might zoom in so each pixel is nice and big on your screen, which makes it feel almost like you're working under a microscope. Carefully place each color to build the outline, then fill it in. And if your drips don't look quite right the first time, just use the eraser. Remember, precision is key in pixel art, and even a single pixel can make a big difference in how your picture looks. Don't worry if this part takes a few tries or feels a little slow. Pixel art is all about patience and decisions, almost like assembling a tiny jigsaw puzzle. Once you're happy with your design, maybe your heart is pulsing with color or your drips look like candy drops, you're basically done. Pixel art is admired for its clarity and simplicity, so sometimes less is more. You can zoom out to see how your artwork looks at normal size, and it's always surprising how those tiny blocks come together to create something vivid and expressive. That's it. You've just made pixel art in Photoshop. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and definitely leave a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your pixel creations. I love seeing what you come up with. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.